Hi guys, I'm on Norwegian Bliss and this is room 12647 and I'm gonna do the room tour. First come inside, it's dark and it's a little thing here, you put your key in, turn the lights on. Right here is a button to make up the room and a do not disturb button. Behind the door is the emergency instructions, and it tells you what your muster station. On here they call it an assembly station, and it tells you where to go and how to put on a life vest and all that stuff. The room looks straight from the door. This is a family insider. I booked the solo insider, but they upgraded me to a family insider when they assigned my room. Immediately to the left is a locked door, and then to your right is the restroom, and they have the glass door, so it's no shower curtain or anything like that. You step up to come into the shower. You have the shower heads, shampoo, body wash and stuff like that. But this is a really big size. It's for one person. We have a phone here. We have the daily list of activities. And Mr. Don't play with me. Why did they put Mr.? And these are my excursion tickets. So with this one, they offered me a $25 credit to use at a restaurant. And then they also gave me like the Haven, it says VIP. And they wanted to invite me to the Captain's Cocktail Party on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I don't know, I might check it out, go and see what's going on. My excursion tickets here, and then some other kind of program, and I'm going to see what that is. Over here we have like a little desk. I'm going to see if there's any plugs by the bed. It's a light. Let's turn on and off the light. Doesn't look like any plugs are by the bed. It's a TV here. With the remote. A little closet here with the safe inside the closet. So yeah, this is a cute little room. Again, this is the Family Insider category IT. It says it holds up to 4 people. Oh, down here. Okay, so this is just a little stool you can sit on. Is there a refrigerator in here? Okay, so the refrigerator is here. So it's a little bar, mini bar thing, and then you have to pay for it. So that is not free. So that is the room tour. I'm on deck 12. The room number is 12647, and I'm midship. And this is a family insider. But I'm solo, so it's just me. I'm going to turn this air on cold, and I'm going to go get me something to eat because I'm starving, and I'll catch up with you guys later.